Let's learn how to remove or delete friends on Monopoly Go. If you want to delete a friend in Monopoly Go but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Monopoly Go game. Once you've opened Monopoly Go, you'll be on the main game board screen. On this screen, you will have several options. From all these options, you need to click on the Friends option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on that option, a menu with 3 sections will open. From these 3 sections, you need to click on the leaderboard section. When you click on it, you will have 3 options, and you need to make sure the Friends option is selected. Once it is selected, you will see a list of all your friends. Now you need to find the friend you want to delete, and once you find them, click on them. After doing that, the Remove option will appear, which you need to click. When you click on it, you will be asked if you are sure you want to do this. If you are, click on Remove. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a friend in Monopoly Go. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.